In healthcare, every second counts. Imagine diagnosing cancer from an MRI in under 30 seconds instead of half an hour, or processing an entire human genome in just hours instead of weeks. Medical imaging data is growing 20-30% every year. Traditional CPU systems simply can't keep up, creating delays in diagnosis, research, and treatment. Cyfuture AI's GPU as a service delivers massive parallel processing power through the cloud, no expensive hardware, no waiting. Just instant access to high-performance computing for imaging, diagnostics, and bioinformatics. MRI scans process 10x faster. AI diagnostics review thousands of images per hour with 95% plus accuracy. Genomic sequencing that once took 30 hours now finishes in just 2. And all of it happens securely, HIPAA-compliant, and on demand. With Cyfuture AI, healthcare organizations deliver faster results, better treatments, and groundbreaking discoveries. The future of medicine is GPU-powered, and it's here today. Cyfuture AI, supercomputing for healthcare, on demand.